Hello friends, I am Pramod Gorad. Welcome to my channel Mindset IT Practical. So today we are going to learn practical number 1D. Write a function that reverses the user defined value. That means we have to create a function or in that user should have enter the value and the function automatically converts its reverse number. So let's start. Open Python ideally 3.4.0. In that we have to open new file not textpad for Python ideally. The question is write a Python program to create a function for reverse a number using a while loop. To create a function we use a statement define reverse underscore number colon. After colon we have to press enter. It will be switched to a next line. Now we have to write a number as a variable is equal to int is a typecasting to use a value which is entered by the user using a input method is converted to integer format, and that will be helpful to us for mathematical operation. So please enter any number bracket complete int bracket complete. Next statement reverse variable equal to 0. Now we use a while loop to number of iteration. If the number is greater than 0 colon, after that a true condition we have to write, that is remainder is another variable used to store the value which is modulo by 10, a number modulo 10. That means the remainder will be stored in the remainder variable. Now reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. That is the actual logic for your reverse of the given number. Initially reverse has a value 0, so 0 multiply 10, it is always a 0 plus remainder, the whatever the calculation number modulo 10 is calculated, that will be stored in the reverse. Proceed. Now number is again overwrite with number double slash 10. That means the exact fraction value will be in your number. For example, if you are enter 123, that is 123 number, the number double slash 10, it will be shows as 12, and further it will be go to the number while loop to check whether it is greater than or not to the 0. Now print statement outside the loop. If you are write the print statement inside the loop, that means each and every time your value is going to display for the reverse. Now save the file with the name reverse 1deep.py. Run either F5 for shortcut or run module. Now we have to call the function name. We can copy from here or you can directly write reverse number and then enter. So please enter any number. So 1, 2, 3. After enter we get reverse of our enter number is 321. We can try for another value 4, 5, 6. The reverse enter number is 654. Now if you have use print statement inside the loop, save the program, run again, call the function, enter the value 1, 2, 3 it will be shows as the reverse of enter number. That reverse initially has a 3, that is remainder. After that 3 multiply 10, that is 30, plus 2, that is 32. And after that again 3 multiply 32 is multiplied by 10, that is 320, plus 1, that is remainder 1, is giving us a 321. For better practice, we have to always use print statement outside the loop. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.